Meaning of downlow.
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 Downlow. The term downlow refers to keeping something a secret, especially in the context of a clandestine or illicit activity. It can also refer specifically to men who keep their same-sex attraction or behavior hidden from others, particularly their female partners. The result of being on the downlow can be feelings of shame, guilt, and isolation, as well as the risk of exposure and the accompanying social consequences. Maintaining secrecy in this way can also have negative impacts on mental and emotional well-being.